Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use and redeem Ultra Beauty gift card, right? It's very easy to do it. So for example, here we are into the Ultra Beauty and you have to log in into this, right? So once you log in, you can only use or redeem Ultra Beauty gift card while purchasing a product. So we'll just go to the shop option, right? And we will just select a product here. Let's say it's a foundation and let's open it up. And for example, I like this one, right? $52 one, right? And it's pretty good. So I'll just click on add to bag, right? You can just select whatever the reason. This is just for tutorial. And once I do it, I will just open my card, which is on the top right. And once it get open, sometime it's take a little bit time here, and I will just click on checkout, right? And by the way, if you scroll a little bit down, there's nothing any useful for us. And here I will just, and here you can see in the checkout, add a coupon code. So we'll just click on add a coupon code, and here you have to enter this code. And once you will able to enter this code, you have to make sure you apply. And this is a order gift, so it's not useful to us. So if you want to redeem or use a gift card, you have to just enter the card and that's it. Then just click on the checkout, and after that you will be able to purchase the product. So here this is all these details of the shipping. So that's it. So I hope you understand. So only the main thing which is very important, which is here in the add a coupon code, you have to enter your redeem code and then you will able to redeem or use it. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe.